Hi, my name is Kristen,
And hi, my name is Genesis Ballum.
and the article we did is Against Borders by Hazel Rockman.
Hazel Rockman, through this article, shares her thoughts, and this is what we learned about her. Hazel is a white-skinned African American Jewish that grew up in South Africa and now lives in Chicago. She considers herself to be an immigrant, journalist, wife, mom, and author. Her main focus when writing is inclusivity of all life brings, the good and the bad, all included.
Realism is life, so what would you leave out? This was her take on how this has affected our world.
Hazel has taken it upon herself to host reading sessions with children. By doing so, Hazel is offering them the opportunity to learn more about the beauty and all reality of all diversity.
If we don't watch out what we are reading, it can be medicine and therapy. If we recommend certain books that gives us the right role models, it doesn't show us the full picture of what reading other kinds of books can give to us.
Rockman also explains how multiculturalism doesn't necessarily refer to people of color solely, but includes everything we as a human race represent.
She's against censorship, and what that means is that society has picked and choose what we want to see and create walls between us, and it doesn't show the full picture of what the world is really all about.
Apartheid was also a very important point throughout this article. Apartheid refers to a policy or system of segregation or discrimination on the grounds of a race. Rockman also discusses how the practice of apartheid is not necessarily beneficial to diversity, to our human race, because we are excluding all of what includes in diversity.
Throughout the article, Hazel Rockman had mentioned many different artists that have changed our outlook on multiculturalism, diversity, censorship, and many other subjects that go along with Rockman's article Against Borders.
Kristen and I both agreed that Rockman gave a deeper insight to multiculturalism and how it is presented through literature today.
We highly recommend taking a look at her book and her article Against Borders.
This was our overall take to Against Borders by Hazel Rockman. Thank you so much for listening.